In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a password to secure your page. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps needed to ensure your content is protected and only accessible to those who have the password. This process is crucial for maintaining privacy, whether you're working on a project, sharing sensitive information, or simply want to limit access to certain parts of your site. First, you'll need to navigate to your page settings, which can typically be found in the main menu of your page editor. It's usually represented by a gear icon or something similar, indicating settings or configurations. Once you've accessed the page settings, look for the section labeled Password. This is where you have the option to enable or adjust your page's security settings. It's crucial to pay attention here, as this step allows you to activate password protection for your page and control who has access. Moving on, click on the Password section. Here, you'll see an option to set a password. This field is where you get to create a unique password that will grant access to your page. Think carefully about your password choice. It's best to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to make it as secure as possible. Try to avoid common words or easily guessable sequences like 1, 2, 3, 4. You have the liberty to choose something that's both memorable and secure. After setting your desired password, the next thing you need to do is hit the Save button. This is an essential step as it ensures all your changes are applied. Without saving, your password won't be active and your page will remain unprotected. Double check to make sure everything is correct before saving. There's nothing more frustrating than realizing you forgot to save, which results in having to start over. Congratulations, you've successfully set a password on your page. Remember, it's a good practice to periodically update your password to maintain security, especially if you suspect any unauthorized access, or if your password may have been shared more widely than you initially intended. Keeping your content secure is an ongoing process, and managing your page settings effectively is a key part of that. By following these steps, you've added an important layer of security to your page. Whether it's for personal peace of mind or necessary privacy, password protecting your pages is a smart way to manage access. Thanks for watching, and I hope you